Hi, have you or your loved ones been injured in a Galveston, Texas truck accident or by an 18-wheeler in that area? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm also known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of truck drivers or the faulty operations of motor carrier companies in that area. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, feel free to give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me toll-free anywhere in the great state of Texas or nationally at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law, What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. Give me a call today at 713-766-3322, and let's discuss your truck accident. As always, I hope you and your loved ones have a blessed day.